ever wonder what those twinkling groups of stars in the night sky are? They're called constellations, and they're like cosmic puzzles made of stars. Now imagine this. You're connecting the dots in the night sky to create pictures of animals, mythological characters, and even everyday objects. Fascinating, isn't it? These starry arrangements are not just beautiful, they're incredibly useful too. For centuries, people have used constellations for storytelling and navigation. Each constellation has its own unique story and history. They've been captivating storytellers and dreamers for a very long time. So when you gaze up at the night sky, remember this. You're not just looking at stars, you're looking at ancient tales and histories etched in the vast canvas of the universe. You're actually looking at the world's oldest picture book. And with that, our starry adventure begins. Now let's meet some of the most famous constellations that have been lighting up our night sky. First off, we have Orion the Hunter. Just imagine a celestial hunter, his belt made of a straight line of 3 bright stars, with a sword of smaller stars dangling from it. This cosmic huntsman is often seen marching across the winter sky, a beacon leading the way for other constellations. Next, let's look at Ursa Major and Ursa Minor, also known as the Big and Little Bears. Picture 2 celestial bears waltzing in the sky. The Big Bear, Ursa Major, is known for its distinctive saucepan shape, while the Little Bear, Ursa Minor, is famous for its tail star, the North Star. These 2 starry bears have been lighting up the night for countless generations, charming stargazers with their simplicity and familiarity. And then we have Leo the Lion. This majestic constellation resembles a crouching lion, its head and mane formed by a group of stars. Leo loves to roar across the celestial canvas, inspiring tales of bravery and strength. Leo's heart is marked by the bright star Regulus, a blue-white beauty that's one of the brightest in the night sky. In the world of constellations, these 3 are akin to celebrities. They're easily recognizable and their stories have been told and retold for centuries. But they are not alone. They share the night sky with a multitude of other constellations, each with its own unique story and history. From the mythical characters of Greek and Roman legends to the animals and objects of different cultures around the world, these constellations have been used by our ancestors to navigate, to mark the passing of seasons, and to inspire tales of bravery, love, and adventure. These are just a few examples of the many constellations that make our night sky so fascinating. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, it's not just a random scattering of stars. It's a canvas filled with stories, waiting for you to discover. But there's more to the night sky than just these famous constellations. Let's take a look at the zodiac constellations. These 12 constellations are like a celestial calendar, each one linked to a specific time of the year. From Aries, the ram jumping into spring, to Pisces, the fish swimming through late winter, they mark the changing seasons and each has its own tale to tell. And then there's Cassiopeia, the queen of the night sky. Her 5 bright stars form a distinctive W shape, as if she's sitting on her celestial throne, circling the North Star. Don't forget to look out for Draco the dragon, a constellation that winds its way through the sky. Draco's tale is filled with mythical adventures, adding a touch of magic to our stargazing. Remember, each constellation has its own time to shine, adding variety and excitement to our night sky. Finding constellations can be an exciting adventure. Want to join in? Think of the night sky as a grand cosmic canvas, waiting for you to sketch your own starry tales. One way to start is by using your imagination. Just as ancient people saw hunters, lions, and bears in the stars, you too can create your own stories and images. Perhaps you'll find a dancing unicorn, a soaring eagle, or a playful dolphin in the sky. If you need a little help, why not try a stargazing app? These digital tools can guide you through the celestial sphere, helping you identify constellations and even planets. They're like having a personal astronomer right in your pocket. And remember, the best time to go stargazing is on a clear, dark night, far away from city lights. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those twinkling stars are not just beautiful, they're telling stories. Happy stargazing!